Hello everyone, welcome to the Excel learning series. In this particular session, we will see how we can draw the charts, how we can actually make the charts from the given data sets. So here I have a simple data set in which maybe like a company's revenue and expenses, or somebody's maybe revenue expenses are given. So in the month of January this was the revenue, this was the expense. In the month of Feb this was the revenue, this was the expense, and so on. So first of all, let us first convert this into a particular table format. So I'll just select this entire table up to total, and then click here format as table, and I can just click here. Okay, so this is how the actual table looks. So how to draw the chart? So let us select first. Okay, I'll just select this entire table, okay, up to December. Okay, and then we can go to insert. As you can see, insert column chart, or a line chart, or a pie chart, or a bar chart, or area scatter. So let's click on column chart. Okay, so this is the column chart. So this is what we get. Okay, so this, on the x-axis we have the months from Jan to December, and on the y-axis this is the revenue. So this blue bar, it shows the revenue. You can see this, the legends are given here, and these are the expenses. Okay, we can even convert this into another type of a chart. So we can just select this and click on this change chart type. So we can even go for a line chart. As you can see, this is a line chart. So this is a line chart. Okay, so we can convert it to any other chart type. Okay, a pie chart. Okay, this one. So this is a pie chart. Okay, so let us come back to this one. So we can do many things in this case. So just when you click this on this particular chart, various options get enabled. So like if we click on design, so on design we can switch column to rows and rows to columns in this way. Okay, then we can select the data. Okay, so we just click on select data. Okay, and here suppose if I just switch this. Okay, if I want to remove a particular month, I just want to see the result for Jan. Okay, I don't want to see the result of Jan. I can just remove this. Okay, I don't want to see in the April and maybe August. Okay, so these 3 months won't be shown in this chart. Okay, I'll just switch this. Okay, so as you can see, Jan is not available, April is not available, and August is not available. So that is what we can do. Okay, we can just cancel it out. So this is we get. Okay, then some chart layouts are also available. Okay, in this case, this is another way. Okay, so various layouts are available. It depends on our particular application, what we want. Okay, so I'll just switch to this default. Okay, then let's come out layout. Okay, we can also change this various colors, different form types. Okay, so then okay, let us come to layout. In case of layout, okay, we can give a title. Okay, so this we have not selected any chart, any title. We can even change the title from here itself. Okay, I can just give some name. Okay, give the name like sales. Okay, I can name this. Okay, then we have the axis titles. So we have the horizontal axis. Okay, I can name this as months. I get this. Okay, and even we can actually name this again. Come here. So we can even name the vertical axis. It can be rotated title, vertical title, horizontal title, anyway. Okay, then these are the legends. Legends means here what revenue and expenses. Okay, so it can be shown anywhere. It can come up. Okay, as you can see, they just switched up. Okay, so the labels. Okay, by default they are on the right side. So these are the legends. Okay, sorry, so let it be. Okay, then okay, then let us see some more options. Okay, Then data labels. Okay, so we can even turn off the data labels. Okay, and we can even select the data labels. Okay, so if you select data labels, we will get this data labels here. Okay, so whatever data of which we have made this particular chart, that can also be displayed by using that option. Okay. Then axis, the primary horizontal. Okay, so if you don't want to show the axis, we can actually, we don't want, if you want to display an axis, we can select this. Okay, then the grid lines. Okay, this grid lines are there, as you can see, horizontal grid lines are there. Okay, then one more thing important is the trend line. Okay, so we can have a linear trend line for the revenue as well as expense. Let us select for revenue. So this is the trend line, how it is faring. Okay, we can even have this for the other variable, the expenses also. Okay, so there are many more things which we can do actually. Okay, I'll just cancel it out. Okay, now let us see one more example, okay, of the chart. So here I will select it. This is another data set. So here we have the score of South Africa and New Zealand, okay, with the respective overs. So we can compare the chart using the bar diagram. Okay, or if you want to draw a pie chart, I just select the South Africa score and I can just insert, okay, the pie chart. Okay, so it shows me the various score. The first is this, means this is the first 10 overs, then the 20 overs, then the 30, then the 40, the 50. So this is the score line. Okay, so depending on what data set we have and what is our requirement, we can actually select the various data sets. We can even convert this to like line chart. Okay, okay, now one more thing is if you want to change this, okay, we can do this. We can actually change this particular, like in my case it is 10, 20, 30, 40. So it is taken the series, it has not taken the overs. Okay, so what we do is select data. Okay, and we can actually edit this. Okay, I want from 10 to 50. So first is 10, then 20, then 30, okay, then 40 and 50. Okay, so we can do this. Okay, so now, okay, so this is the thing we are having. So let us come back to this particular change to, if we can go to column. So this is the score line of South Africa after 10, 20, 30, 40. So this is what we can do with the charts. So that's all for this particular session. Join us for more such videos, more exciting videos. What we will see, what we can do more with Excel, not only drawing this charts, but we can do more things. So thanks for watching.